I'm going to show you a picture now, and I'm just going to let that sit. And I want you to imagine you're there. Imagine that's you. Can you feel that in your stomach? I don't know how you feel about it, but looking at those pictures is part of my preparation. And if I have the choice between looking at charts, preparing, doing my ratios, all these things, or I just have time for mental analysis wins 100 out of 100. And then the next step in my preparation, and this is preparation I do in the morning, and if I have been allowed to show you, you will see that I have a PowerPoint presentation with approximately 1,300 slides. All of those slides show my past trades with handwritten notes that I've then scanned. So I will select 20, 30 of those slides. It's a rather large pile I can choose from. So I'll just take 20 or 30 of these in the morning as I mentally prepare. What you're seeing here are my profits and losses during the day. So there's some minus 25,000 pounds, minus 10,000 pounds, plus 57,000 pounds, plus 20,000 pounds, plus 20,000 pounds. So there's some whopping profits in there, some whopping losses. But more interestingly is this one here, for example, I was plus 20,000 pounds, but I only made 8,000 pounds out of it. Am I sour that I only got 8,000 pounds out of the position? No, because that's part and parcel of the game. I need to remind my mind in the morning ahead of trading game starting that it is perfectly okay to see a big profit turn into a small profit, because how else are you going to get an even bigger profit? And you might think, I'm never going to trade 200 pounds a point or 300 pounds a point. I did this when I was trading 5 pounds a point. And if I hadn't done it trading 5 pounds a point, I would have never gotten to 6 pounds a point. And 7 pounds a point. And so forth. It's not the size, the number of digits that you are trading. It's about trading the right way. And ladies and gentlemen, do you now understand why this has got nothing to do with technical analysis? While technical analysis is an inferior way of getting money out of the market. And mind is be-all, end-all. It is paramount to think the right way, because otherwise you're going to be emotionally robbed of your greatest opportunity.